how to link Epic Games account with a Rockstar social club. Now after you log into your account on Rockstar, now go to your profile icon, now click on accounts, click on settings. Now after that, as you can see, they will show you this information of your account. Now what we need to do is go to linked accounts tab. Now click on it. So as you can see, you have a few options or a few accounts to link it, but you can't find the Epic Games. So how to link Epic Games account to our Rockstar social club? No, it's easy. Just go back to your home on Rockstar website. Now after that, click on again on this icon. Now click on help, click on support. Now after that, it will redirect you to this page. Now click on account support. Now after that, click on Rockstar Games account and click on account linking, because we want to link our Epic Games account. Now click on it. So after that, they will show you this page to enter the ID here. So you need to enter your Epic Games ID. So how to find it? Just go and open the software if you have it, or open the website. The way or the method is the same to find your Epic Games ID. So just to go and open or click on this icon profile. Now go and click on accounts. Now after that, they will redirect you to the website. Now after this, you will find the ID right away below account information. Now just copy it. Now go back to Rockstar website. Now enter it. Now in description write this. So in description write, I try to link my Rockstar social club to Epic Games. I need help, and recopy the ID. So and type, this is my Epic Games ID, like this. Now if you have like screenshot of the problem that you face, you can upload it here and click on submit web ticket. So after 24 hours, they will link your Epic Games account with your Rockstar social club. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.